Yeah, hello viewers, you're welcome to today's edition. Today we are solving 2023 National Common Entrance Examination, Mathematics. So, this is question 1. Given that multiply 12 by 3 and express your answer in Roman numeral. So, let us multiply 12 by 3. 12 times 3. So 3 times 2 will give us 6, and 3 times 1 will give us 3. So our answer is 36. And do not forget that our x is what? Is equal to what? 10. So definitely 3x will give us what? 30. Then we have 6. Our 6 is what? Is vi, which is what? 6, which is what? Making it what? 36. So definitely our answer is x, vi. So the option there is what? Is E. So our answer for number 1 is what? Is vi. So the option, our option there is what? Is E. Thank you very much. Question 2 says that what are the prime factors of 24? So we have option A say 1 and 2, option B say 1, 2, 3, option C say 1, 2, 3 and 4, option D say 2 and 3, and option E say 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's find our prime factor. Don't forget that our prime factor start from what? From 2, which means that it can only divide itself and what? And 1. No any other number can divide it. Only itself and what? And 1. That is, if you have 2, it's only 2 that can divide 2 and 1. That's 2 divided by 2, 1. Then 2 divided by 1 is what? Is 2. Take note of that. So likewise. And don't forget, our prime factors start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Do not forget, prime factor is not the same as odd number. Okay? So, and so on and so forth. So, these are examples of our prime factors. So, we are looking for the prime factors of 24 from the question here. So, it says that, let's draw our line and place our 24 here. So, put our 2 here. 2 in 24 will give us, that's 12. Take note of that. We put 2 here again, because 2 is a prime factor. We use a prime factor to find your what? Your fraction there. So, we have 2 in 12 is what? 6. Then 2 in 6 will give us, that's 3. Hope taking note. Then 3, the next prime factor is what? Is 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 will give us, that's what? 1. If you look at it now, we have what? 2, 2, 2, and 3. So the prime factors in this number is what? Is 2 and what? And 3. So definitely our answer is what? Is D. So 2 and 3 is a prime factor of what? 24 from the option below, from the option here. 1 is not a prime factor. Take note of that. 1 is not a prime factor. 1 and 4 is not a prime factor. Okay, take note of that. Then likewise, 4 here is not a prime factor. So the prime factor for this 24 is what? Is 2 and what? 3. So our answer here is what? Is 2 and 3. So the option here is what? Is option D. Thank you. So let's move to question 3. Yeah, this question 3. Question 3 says that how many seconds are there in 60 minutes? So from our option, we have option A say 3,600, option B say 2,800, option C say 2,160, option D say 2,000, then option E says 1,500. So do not forget that 60 seconds is equal to what? 1 minute. So we are now asking how many seconds are there in what? Are there in 60 minutes? So definitely 60 seconds in what? Is 1 minute. Therefore we say that 60 times what? 60. Take note of that. So 6 times 6 give us that what? 36. Then with the 2 0 give us that what? So our answer is what? That 3,600 seconds. So our option here is what? Is option A. Thank you very much. Now this question 4. Question 4 says that express 0.6 as a fraction. Option A say 1 over 5. Option B say 2 over 5. Option C say 3 over 5. D 4 over 5 and E 6 over 5. So let's go. This is 0.6. 0.6. When we convert, don't forget we have in our fraction we have a proper fraction, improper fraction, and then mixed fraction. Okay. So in this case now we have to convert this one to fraction, and this kind of fraction is what? Is a proper fraction, because the numerator is lower to the what? To the denominator. The denominator is bigger than the what? Than the numerator. So in this place now, 2 can divide both 6 and what? And 10. So let's go. 2 in 6 give us 3, and 2 in 10 give us 5. So there's no way we can divide use any number to divide both of them. So the answer here is what? Is 3 over 5. Definitely our answer here is what? Is C. So option C is our answer. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is question 5. Question 5 says that Abubakar received £8 for his birthday. How much did he receive if £1 is 450 naira? From the option here we have what? A is 5,300 naira. B 4,580 naira. Let me write that very well. 580 naira. Then C 3,700 naira. Then D 3,600 naira. Then this one E 2,300 naira. So let's go. Now from the other question, £1 is what? This £1. £1 is what? Is 450 naira. That's £1 is 450, and he received what? That's £8. So we are now asking that we are now how much is money in naira. That is what the question is talking about. So definitely £8. It will be what? 8 times what? That's he received £8. So definitely it will be 8 times what? 450 naira. So let's multiply 450 naira times 8. Look at me. 450 times 8. Now let's multiply. 8 times 0 will give us 0. And 8 times 5 will give us that's 40. Take your put your 0. Now take your 0 4 here, 4 up here. Then 8 times 4 will give us that's 32. Then 32 plus 4 will give us 36. So definitely you receive what? That's this is 3,600 naira. Definitely he received what? That's he received Abubakar received 3,600 naira. So the option there is D. Our option there, the answer is what? Is 3,600 naira. So the option there is what? Is option D. Thank you very much. Now this is question 6. Question 6 says that find the odd number between 17 and 34 that is a multiple of 11. So what are the odd number between 17 and 34? Let's go. Now let's go here. Down. The next odd number after 17 is 19. Take note of that. Now the next number after 19 is 21. The next one is 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33. So we have to stop at 33 because we are talking about the odd number between 17 and 34. So they now say that is a multiple of what? 11. So what is the odd number? Okay, that is a multiple of what? 11. So from the question here, like I said, from the option here, we have A is 19, B 21, C is 22, D is 27, E is what? 33. So what is the number there? So what is the number there? The odd number that is a multiple of 11 between among the what? Among the odd numbers that is written down between 17 and 34. So let's check. Let's check. Multiple of 11. 11 plus 11 give us, that's 22. 22 plus 11 give us 33. Now if you look at it very well, the answer is what? Is 33, because the multiple of 11 between 17 and 34 is what? Is 33. So our option there is option E. So the answer is 33. Thank you very much. Now this is question 7. Question 7 says that find the sum of the square root of 625 and the square of 9. Now when we say square root of 625, this is a square root. We have 625. And the what? The sum. The sum means what? Plus. That's addition. That's plus what? Square of 9. Take note of that. Square of 9. Okay, the square root of 625 gives us, that's what? 25. Plus the square of 9 is what? That's 81. Okay, so we want to add both 81 and 25. So 25 plus 81, they give us, that's what? 106. So our answer is 106, which is what? Option A. Option A is 106. Thank you very much. Now this is question 8. Question 8 says that 8 men plucked what? A field in 10 hours. So how long will it take 4 men if they all work at the same rate? Solution. Says that, so first of all, we multiply 8 men times what? Times 10 hours. Times the numbers of hours they use. So we say 8 times what? Times 10. Which will give us, that's what? 80. That's 8 men times the numbers of hours. So to get our answer, now say how long will it take 4 men if they all work at the same rate? So to get our answer, we say that, okay, 80, that's 80 divided by what? Divided by 4. Okay, so 80 divided by 4 will give us, that's 2, that's 20. So the numbers of hours 4 men can work at the same rate is what? Is 20 hours. So our answer is what? Is 20 hours. The option there is what? Is 20. Is option B. So the answer is what? 20 hours. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is question 9. Question 9 says that if a man earns 33,000 naira per month and spend 1/3 of his salary on bills, now how much does he have left? So the options is that A, 33,000 naira, B, 30,000 naira, C, 22,000 naira, D, 15,000 naira, then E, 11,000 naira. Now let's go. So in this case now, let's multiply the total amount times 1/3. That's, we want to look at the amount he spent on what? He spent on bills. That's from his salary. Don't forget, the total salary is what? The total salary, okay, is 33,000 naira. Okay? So, amount spent. Yes. Then I'll say, and spent 1/3 on the salary on bills. So, bills is what? That's what? 33,000 times what? 1/3. Take note of that. So let's look at the amount you spend on bills now. Now 33,000 times 1 give us what? 33,000 naira. Divided by 3. Oh, which is what? So 3 cancel 3, 2 cancel 3. Here give us that what? 33,000 divided by 3 give us what? 11,000 naira. So now say, so That's the amount spent on what? That's total amount spent on what? That's what? Bills is what? Is 11,000. So we want to look about the amount that is left. That's how much does he have left from his money now. So we now say that the total amount subtracted by what? By the amount spent. Amount spent on the bills. Amount spent. Yes, let's put it that way. So it's what? So the total amount is what? That's 33,000 naira. Minus what? The amount spent is what? That's 11,000 naira. So 33,000, by the time we subtract 11,000 from 33,000, we have what? 33 minus 11. 33,000 minus 11,000. Our answer is what? That's 22,000 naira. So our option there is what? Is option C. So our answer is what? 22,000 naira, which is what? Option C. Thank you very much. Now this question 10. Question 10 says that find the HCF of 108, 27, and 9. So the option there, our option A says 9. Option B is 7. Option C is 5. Option D is 3. And option E is what? Is 2. Okay. Don't forget, this highest common factor, this HCF. The formula of HCF is what? Is highest common factor, as I said earlier. So let's go. Let's do it in a simple way. Here. Okay, now we have what? The first number is what? 108. Let me draw a what? A line. We have 108. So we're going to use our prime number to what? To divide our numbers. So the first prime number is what? Is 2. 2 can go in 108, don't forget. So 2 in 10 is what? Is 5. 2 in 8 is what? Is 4. Then don't forget, 2 can go still divide 54. 2 in 54 is what? Is 27. Then 2 cannot divide 27 because it gives us remainder. So we cannot divide it perfectly. So the next prime number that can divide it perfectly is 3. 3 in 27 is 9. 3 can still divide 9. 3 in 9 is what? Is 3. Then 3 in 3 is what? 1. That's for 108. 108. Now let's move to 27. This is 27. And this is what? So if you look at this place now, if you use the first prime number, is 3 because 2 cannot divide 27. It will give us a remainder. So let's start from 3. 3 can divide 27 without remainder. So we have 3 here. 3 in 27 give us that's 9. Take note of that. Then 3 in 9 will give us 3. Then 3 in 3 will give us that's what? 1. Then next one is what? Is 9. We have 9 here. Okay. 3 can divide 9. 3 in 9. The prime number that can divide 9 is what? Is 3. 3 in 9 is what? Is 3. Take note of that, please. Then 3 in 3 is what? Is 1. Simple as that. Now let's find our HCF. Now, the first one is what? 108. So we have what? 2 times 2 times 3, okay, times 3 times 3. That's for 108. The second one is 27, which is what? 27 is what? 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 times 3. Now the next one again is 9. Okay, our 9 is what? That was what? 3 times 3, which is what? 9. Can you see that? Look at it. Look at it. Okay. Now, we want to look for our prime factor, our highest common factor here. Now, if you look at it here, so we have 3 here, we have 3 here, we have 3 here. So, we have gotten a factor here, that's 3. Then look at it again. We have 3 here, we have another 3 here, we have another 3 here. So, we have gotten another what? Factor here as well, which is what? Making 2, 3. Okay, from the 3 number. Now, if you look at it again, there is no any other number that is what? That is among the 3 again. So, we only have what? 3 and 3. So, our answer there is what? Is 3 times what? 3. So, in this case now, 3 times 3 is what? We now multiply 3 times what? 3, which is what? Which is 9. So, our answer there is what? Is 9. So, from the option there, Our option there is what? Is option A. So our answer is what? Is 9. Thank you very much. Now this is question 11. Question 11 says that Victor bought a blue pen at 15 naira and sold it for 30 naira. And now say, what is the percentage loss? What's the percentage loss? Don't forget, in calculating your what? Your percentage loss or percentage loss or profit. In loss means what? That's cost price minus selling price. Take note of that. But in this case now, they say, what is the what? What is the percentage loss? So this is what we're going to do. We say that our loss is over the what? Over the cost price. Are you getting me? That's over the what? Cost price. That's the cost price times 100. Okay. So what's our loss there? Cost price is what? What's our cost price? Our cost price is what? Is 50 minus the selling price, which is what? Which is what's our selling price is what? That's what? 30. So 50 minus 30 will give us, that's what? 50 minus 30 will give us what? 20. So our loss there is what? That's 20. Take note of that. So we now bring it there. We now say that 20 over what? Over the cost price. What's the cost price? The cost price is what? Is 50. That's the amount imported. That's the cost price. So we have 50 times what? 100. Take note of that. So we can multiply it that way. 20 times 100 divided by 50. Or we can still decide it and cut it as well. Okay, let's cut it. So 50 in 100 is what? What's multiplied is what? That's what? Is 2. Okay, so we now say that 20 times 4 times 2 will give us what? 20 times 2 will give us what? That's what? 40. So the percentage here is what? Is 40%. So our answer is what? Is 40. So the option there is what? Is option C. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is question 12. Question 12 says that express 8 meter in centimeter. Don't forget, that's 1 meter is what? That's 1 meter is equivalent to what? 100 what? Centimeters. Alright, so in this play, now given that, convert 8 meter to what? To centimeter. Since 1 meter is 100 centimeter, now say that 8 times what? Times 100. Okay, so 8 times 100 will give us as what? 800 centimeter. So our answer is what? Is 800. So our answer is what? Is option E. So that's our answer there. Thank you very much. Question 13 says that if a sales boy earns 90,000 naira in a year, how much does he earn? In a month? A. 5,500 naira. B. 6,500 naira. C. 7,500 naira. D. 8,500 naira. Then E. 9,500 naira. So let's go. So don't forget, he earns 90,000 per annum, which is what? 90,000. So, and we are to look how much he earns in a year. Don't forget that 12 months makes what? A year. So we're going to divide what? 90 divided by 12 in order to get our what? Our exact money he earns monthly. So in this case, we say that 90,000 divided by what? 12. Don't forget that. We say 90,000 divided by 12. In order to get, we want to look at the exact money he earns monthly. So in this case, we have 12 here 1, 12 in 90 is what? Is 7. Remainder what? Remainder 6. Or 12 times 7 is what? Is 84. So we put our 6 here, which is what? Making 60. 12 in 60 is what? That was what? 5. 12 in 0 is what? 0. 12 in 0 again is what? Is 0. So definitely, hence what? His monthly earn is what? Is 7,500 naira. So definitely our exact answer is C. Our option here is what? Is C. Our answer is what? 7,500 naira. 500 naira. So that is the answer. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 14 says that change 22 over 3% to a fraction in its lowest term. Option A says 1 over 5. B says 1 over 11 over 50. C says 17 over 25. D says 23 over 100. And E says 9 over 10. So let's go. We're going to convert these to what? To a fraction. That's to proper fraction. That is 22 over 3 over 100. That's what it means there. That's what it means there. 22 times 3 give us what? 22 times 3 is 22 times what? 3. 22 times 3. Plus what? Plus 2. Over what? Over 100. Okay. 22 times 3 give us 66. Plus this 2 over 100, which is what? 66 plus 2 give us 68 over 100. Okay. So let us divide both sides by 2. 2 in 68 give us 34. And 2 in 100 will give us, that's what? 50. 2 can still divide both sides. The numerator and the denominator, which is 34. 2 in 34 give us, that's what? 17. And 2 in 50 give us, that's what? 25. Okay. So definitely 17 and 25 is the what? Is the lowest 10. Okay, because 2 cannot divide both side again. That's 17 and 25. So our answer is what? 17 over 25. So our option there is what? Is option C, which is what? 17 over 25. Thank you very much. Question 15 says that how many minutes are there in 36 hours? So our option A says 2,360. Option B says 2,260. Option C says 2,160. Option D says 2,150. Then option E says 2,140. Now let's go. It says that, don't forget that 60 minutes is what? Is 1 hour. 60 minutes is what? 1 hour. Don't forget that. So definitely 1 hour means what? Is equivalent to what? That's what? 60 minutes. Take note of that. So now in this case we have to convert 36 hours to what? To what? To minutes. So it means which is what? 36 times what? 60. So 36 times 60. Let's multiply. Let me show you here. So that we 36 times 60. Okay, look at it. Actually it's 2,000. For me it's 2,160. But let me do this for you. 0 times 6 is what? Is 0. Multiply. 0 times 3 give us what? That's 0. Then 6 times 6. Hope you are looking. 6 times 6 is what? That's what? 36. You put your 6 here. You put your 3 up here. Okay. Now 6 times 3 give us what? That's 1. That's what? 18. That's 1 and 8. 18. Plus this 3 give us, that's what? 21. Now let's add it together. Let's sum everything together. Now we have 0. Let's put a 0. 0, 0. So that's 6, 1, 2. So our answer is what? 200 and what? 2,100 and what? 160 minutes. So makes what? Makes 36 hours. So our option is what? Option C. Thank you very much. Yeah, question 16 says that if a pocket of sugar weighs 1.38 kilogram, what is the weight of 18 packets? In this case, we have A 24.0 kilogram, 24 kilogram, B 24.64 kilogram, C 24.84 kilogram, D 25.60 kilogram, then E 30.30 kilogram. So in this case now, they say that's if a pocket of sugar weighs 1.38 kilogram. Now what is the weight of 18? Definitely we are going to what? In order to find our answer, we are going to multiply 1.38 times what? Times 18. Okay. So we need to get our answer there. That's 1.38 times what? Times 18. Okay? 8 times 8 give us 64. We write 4 here, take our 6 up. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. Put your 3 up here. Then 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is what? That was what? 11. So we come here. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is what? 3. Then 1 times 1 is what? That's 1. Then we add. Okay. We have 4 here. 8 plus 4 is what? 8 plus 0 is what? That was what? Is 8, sorry. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Then 1 plus 1, that was what? 2. Put up 2 here. So in this case now, we have 24.84 kilograms. So our answer is what? Is the weight of what? Of the 18 packets. The weight of the 18 packet is what? Is 24.84 kilograms. So from the option there, the option is what? The option C, which is 24.84 kilogram of what? Of 18 packets. Thank you very much. Yeah, this question 17. Question 17 says that find the positive difference. Find the positive difference between 528 and the sum of 310 and 67. So we have, first of all, find the sum of 310 and 67. So this is 310 and this is what? 67. Let's plus. Take note of that. So 0 plus 7 gives us 7. 1 plus 6 is what? 6. And 3 plus not 1 plus 6 is 7, sorry. And 3 plus nothing gives us 3. So our answer is here. The sum of 310 and 67 is what? Is 377. Now, so find a positive difference between 528 and 377 now. So in this place now come now say 528 minus 377, which is, let's subtract it. So the positive difference, the difference means what? That's subtraction, which is what? 528 minus what? 377. So for this place, 8 minus 7 give us 1. Now 2 cannot minus 3, so we'll put a number from here. So which is what? Actually it is 10, but because we add it here, 10 plus 2 gives us that's 12. 12 minus 2 is what? That's 7. It give us 5. But because you are in primary class, normally we just pick 1. Whereas it's okay, 1. So we count 12. But it is what? Basically it is what? It is 10, because our 10 is what we are using 10 as what? As the standard what? As the standard number for what? For calculation. So as a standard base number for what? For calculation, just like your binary. Okay, so we are using standard of base 10. So anything you are borrowing, anytime you say you are borrowing something, it is 10 you are borrowing. Okay, not 1. So 10 plus 2 give us that's what? 12. Then 12 minus 7 give us that's 5. So this one, it means what? 4. 4 minus 3 is what? Is 1. Definitely our answer is what? 151. So which is what? Option B. Thank you very much. Yeah. Question 18. Question 18 says that a class consists of 36 girls and 18 boys. Find the ratio of boys to girls. Question option A says that 1/2. Option B says 1/3. Option C says that 2:1. Option D says 2:3. Option E says 3:1. I repeat. Option A says 1:2. Option B says that 1:3. Option C says 2:1. D says 2:3, and E says 3:1. So in this case now, let us go. So since it is the ratio of boys to girls, and don't forget, our boys is what? Is 18, and our girls is what? What? The girls are what? Are 36. So let's start from boys. Boys is what? Is 18. While the girls are what? Is what? It's got to what? What? 36. Okay. So in this place now, what do we do? In this place, 3 can go in, 2 can go in both 18 and 36 because we are going to divide it to the lowest thing. So 2 in 18 is what? Is 9. And 2 in 36 is what? Is 18. Take note of that. So in this place now, 3 can only go in both sides. So 3 in 9 is what? That's 3. Then 3 in 18 gives us that's what? 6. Look at it again. 3 can divide both sides. That's 3 in 3 gives us that's what? 1. And 3 in 6 gives us that's what? 2. So we are divided it to the lowest 10. So the boy, don't forget, the boys is what? Is 1. Why the girls is what? Is 2. So in this case, our answer is what? 1 ratio what? 1 ratio 2. Definitely, our option there is what? Is option A, which is what? 1 ratio 2. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is question 19. Question 19 says that if Ade spend 5/12 of his pocket money on books, what fraction of 8 remain? Okay, so in this place now, we're going to put as what? Which make sure that we are going to put 1. 1 minus what? 1 as what? As the number 1 over 1 minus 5 over what? 12. Okay. So we're going to subtract that from his money. So we're going to use 1. 1 minus 5 over 12. We're going to put 1 here as well. So that I can balance the what? Fraction. Already, 1 divided by 1 is still the same thing as 1. Okay. So in this place now, don't forget, we're going to what? Find the LCM. Don't forget that 1 and 2, 1 is a factor of what? Of 12. Take note of that. So we're going to put our what? 12 here. Our what? LCM. Okay. So 1 in 12. For the first fraction, 1 in 12 is what? Is 12. Now 12 times 1 gives us that's 12. We put a subtraction and minus there. Then 12 in 12 is what? That's what? For the second fraction, which is 5/12. 12 in 12 is what? That's what? 1. Then you use it to multiply the numerator, which is 5. 1 times 5 gives us that's what? 5. Take note of that. Then now subtract. 12 minus 5 gives us what? That's 7. Over what? Over 12. So definitely our answer, final answer there is what? 7/12. So the option there is what? Is option C. Thank you very much. Question 20 says a ticket of a football match costs 2,400 naira. How much should a family of 4 pay to watch the match? Option A says that 1,200 naira. B says 2,400 naira. C says 3,600 naira. D says 4,800 naira. Then E says 9,600 naira. Okay. Now, if a family of 4, they say the tickets, the cost of the tickets is what? Cost of the tickets. That's the cost is 2,400 naira. Now say a family of 4. They say how much should a family of 4 pay? It will be what? 2,400 times what? 4. We are going to multiply it with what? By 4. So in order to get our answer, 2 times 4, 2,400 times what? Times 4. Let's go. 2,400 times 4. Shall we? 4 times 0 will give us what? 0. 4 times 0 give us 0. 4 times 4 give us 16. You take your 1 up. 4 times 2 is what? 8. Plus 1 is what? That's what? 9. So we have what? 9,600 naira. So definitely our answer is what? 9,600 naira. If a family of 4 should pay 2,400 naira. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Question 21 says that subtract 2 whole number 1/2 from 4 whole number 1/3. So the options are 5/6, 1/6, 1/5/6, 2/1/6, and 2/5/6. Okay. So we are subtracting 2 whole number 1/2 from 4 whole number 1/3, which is 4 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. So in this place, we are going to what? Multiply this fraction into improper fraction. 4 times 3 is what? Is 12 plus 1 is what? 13 over 3. That is 4 times 3, 12 plus this 1 making what? 13 divided by 3 minus 2 times 2, 4 plus 1 making what? 5 over 2. Now in this case, we have the denominator are 3 and 2. So we have to find the LCM because 2 is not a factor of what? 3. So the SM of 2 and 3 is 6. Let me find it for you then. 2, look at it. 2 and 3. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 in 3 is what? 3. 3 can go in 3 now. 3 in 1, 1. 3 in 3, 1. So our LCM is what? Is what? 2 times 3, giving us 6. So in this place, our LCM is what? Is 6 here. Is 6. So in this place, to get our answer, you now say 3 in 6 give us 2. How many 3 can you see in 6? That's 2. Then 2 times 13 will give us, that's 2 times 13. 2 times 13. Then minus 2 in 6 will give us 3. Take note of that. Then 3 times 5, and this 5. 3 times 5. Then 2 times 13 will give us 20. What? 6. 3 times 5 will give us that as what? 15 divided by what? 6. Okay. So in this place now, we have to what? Subtract 15 from what? From 26. So now say 26 minus 15, they have to give us that as 11 divided by what? 6. So we can still divide it. So our answers, you have to change it to what? That's to mix numbers or mix fraction. So in this place, our answer will now be what? 11 divided by 6 will give us that just 1. Remainder what? Remainder 5 divided by what? 6. So that's our answer. So if you look at the answer here, the answer is what? Is option C, which is what? 1 number 5 over 6. Yeah, question 22 says that find if 12 minus x is equal to 8, find the value of what? Find the value of x. So we have to find the value of x. So now let's put it 12 minus x equal to 8. Okay, so we want to look for the value of x here. So in this place, these 12 and minus x, they are not the same, like they are not like terms. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to what? Subtract 12 from both sides. So from this side and from this side. Now say 12 minus 12 minus x equal to 8 minus 12. Okay, so in this place, 12 minus 12 is what? That's what? Is 0. So we now have minus x equal to 8 minus 12. Your 8 minus 12 will give us that as what? Minus 4. Okay, so in this place, we are going to divide both sides by the equation of this x. What's the equation of x? The equation of x is what? That is what? Minus 1. So minus cancel minus. X divided by 1 gives us x. So we now say our answer is what? So in this place, we are still going to divide it by minus 1 because we are dividing by what? Equation both sides by what? The equation of x, which is what? Minus 1 and minus 1 here. So 1 minus divided by minus, then 4 divided by 1 give us that as what? 4. So definitely our answer is what? Is 4. Now let us check whether our answer is correct. Since x is what? Since x is equal to 4, we now say 12, look at this 12, minus 4. You can see 12 minus 4 is 8. So definitely our answer is what? Is correct. Yes. Question 23 says that find the value of x in the equation 6x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 13. So let's go. So in this place, look at it. We have 6x here minus 3 equal to 2x plus 13. Take note of that. So in this place, we are going to what? We are going to collect our like terms. So this is 6x. So when I 6x cross to this place, to meet this 6 here, we have what? Minus 2x, because this is a positive number, integer. So it is not a negative integer. So since it's crossing this equal sign, it will be what? Minus 2x. Why this minus 3 goes to this place, the other side, which is what? It will be plus what? 3, because this is minus 3. When this minus 3 crosses, it becomes as plus 3. So now let us now, I think it's balanced now. So in this place now have 6x minus 2x will give us that 4x. Take note of that. So 13 plus 6 is what? That's what? 13 plus 3 is what? That's what? That's 16. So in this place we are going to divide the both sides by the quotient of 4. Take note of that. So the quotient of 4x, the quotient of 4x is what? Is 4. Take note of that. So we used to divide both sides. So now say 4 divided by 4 will now remain our x. So in this place now we now have 16 divided by 4 will give us that's 4. So definitely our answer is what? Is option C, which is what? 4. Yes, question 24 says that given that x plus 3 is equal to 5, find the value of 2x. A, 2, that's option A is 2, B is 4, option C is 6, D is 8, and option E is what? 10. So now let us find our answer. So what's our x? Our x is x plus 3 equal to what? 5. We want to find x, the value of 2x. So in this place, we have to subtract 3. Since 3 and s, they are not what? Like times. So we have to subtract 3 from both sides. Since this one is plus 3. So we have plus 3 minus 3 equal to 5 minus 3. We have to subtract 3 from both sides. So 3 minus 3, we have what? X. That's 3 minus 3, that's 0. That's x plus 0 equal to 5 minus 3, we have 2. X plus 0 is what? That's what? X. Take note of that. So we have what? 2 here. So our x is what? Is x equal to what? 2. So now say find the value of 2x. So since x is 2, so since x is what? X is equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, 2x is what? That's 2 times what? 2, which is what? 4. So our answer is what? Is 4, which is what? Option B. So that's our answer. Yeah, the question said that calculate the area of the shaded portion in the diagram below. So I want to look for the area. So in this place, first area is what? Area of the first diagram. Of the first diagram, that's is what? That's 30 centimeter. At me times 12 centimeter. And look at it. 30 times 10 we go, that's 300. Times 2 we give us that's 60. So making what? Give us what? 360 centimeters square. So area of the second diagram. Of the second diagram. That area of the second diagram is what? That's 10 centimeter times 8 centimeter, which is what? That's which is what? That's is what? 80 centimeter square. So in this place now, I want to calculate the area altogether. So now say therefore area of the shaded portion is what? That's that's 360 centimeters square minus 80 centimeter square. So to get our final answer, 360 minus 80 centimeters square will be what? Our answer will be what? 280 centimeter square. So that's our answer. So this The first diagram we subtract. That's the second diagram in the box here. So our answer is what? That's 280 centimeter square. So the answer is what? Is option B. Okay, that's it. Yes, question 26 says that find the value of the missing number. 25 minus the box minus the empty box equal to 11. So we are looking for the answer inside the empty box here. So for us, since this is 25, which is the first number, to get our answer, we say 25 we minus 11, which is what? 25 minus 11 will give us as what? 14. So definitely our answer here is what? As what? 14. Okay, because 25 minus 11 is what? As 14. Or to check, let's check whether it will give us 25. 11 plus 14 will give us what? 25. So definitely our answer is what? Is 14, which is what? Option C. 25 minus 14 will give us as what? 11. So that's our answer. Yes, question 27 says that calculate the circumference of a circle which diameter is 42 centimeters. Now say take pi as 22/7. And our option is A 70 centimeter, B 80 centimeter, C 100 centimeter, D 120 centimeter, and E 132 centimeter. So let's go. So to find our circumference, our circumference is equal to what? As 2 pi what? R. That it means 2 pi times radius. Okay. Now, and our diameter is, thus our diameter here is 42 centimeter. Then we have to convert. To get our radius, we have to what? Divide our diameter by 2, which is what? 42 divided by what? 2, which is what? That's 21 centimeter. So now we can now find our circumference. Don't forget our circumference is what? That's what? Is 2 pi r, 2 pi radius. So to get our answer, we now say, to get our circumference, we just put it against circumference so that you will not do mistake. Now say 2 times what's our pi? Don't forget our pi has been given as what? 22/7. Then our radius, which is what? 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. So in this place, let us now divide. Now say 7 here 1, 7 in 21 will give us 3. Take note of that. So we now say 2 times 22 times 3. 2 times 22 will give us that 44. Why 44 times 3 will give us that 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 2, 12, 4 times 2. Okay, we give us that 13, 132. So our answer is what? 132 centimeter, which is what? Our option is option E. Thank you. So that's our answer. So our answer is option E, which is what? 132 centimeter. Yes, question 28 says that find the value of the missing number. So in this place, we have the empty box minus 18 will give us 85. So what will be here? That is what we are looking for. Don't forget that this number here is what? Is the main number. Okay, that we are to use to what? To find, to get this 85. That is, if we subtract 18 from it, we have to get this 85. So what is the number? So since this is the final number 85, you now say 85, you now add this 18. Look at it now. You now say 85 plus 18 plus 18, yes, we give us that 85 plus 190 plus 98 plus 5 give us 103. So our answer here will be what? 103. So 103 minus 18 will give us 85. Okay, now let's just check. Let's see whether it is correct. So 103 minus 18. Let's see. Now in this place, now when we borrow 1 from this 10, we can 10 from this 1 from this to become 13. 13 minus 8 will give us, that's 5. Now this remains 9. 9 minus 1 will give us 8. So that's 85. So definitely you can see that our answer is what is correct. So our answer there is what is option E. That's 103. Yes, question 29 says that how many vertices does a cube have? So now A 4. Option A is 4, B is 6, C is 8, D is 10, and E is 12. Now let's just check. Let's say this is our cube. Let me draw our cube. Okay. Alright, so let's check it. Now look at this. 1, let's check the vertices. 2, okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So definitely the cube has what? 8 vertices. So our answer is what? Is option C, which is what? Which is the answer, which is answer. Yes. Question 30 says that find the area of the parallelogram below. Now, the height is 4 centimeters, while the base is 7 centimeters. So in this case now, we are going to multiply. Let's see. Our area of parallelogram is that's base times height. Take it of that. So what's our base there? Our base is 7 centimeters. Then our height is what? 4 centimeters. So 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters will give us what? 28 centimeters square. So our answer there is what? Is option A, which is what? 28 centimeters square. Question 21 says that which of the following polygons has 7 sides? We have A, hexagon, that's option A. B is hexagon, C, nonagon, D, octagon, and E, pentagon. So option A is the polygon that has 7 sides. Okay. Option B, B has what? Has 6 sides, which is hexagon. Nonagon, which is option C, has what? 9 sides. D, which is octagon, has 8 sides. While E, which is pentagon, has 5 sides. But the one that has 7 sides is option which is what? Heptagon. So that's the answer. Okay. Question 32 says that how many lines of symmetry has the shape below? Now this is a triangle, and this triangle is a triangle is an isosceles triangle because the 2 sides are equal. So any angle that the 2 sides are equal is what? The line of symmetry is what? Is one. It has one what? It always has one line of what? Symmetry. So definitely our answer is what? Is let me do it for you so that it has one line of symmetry. So definitely our answer is what? Is option E, which is what? 1. Option E is 1, so that's it. So this is an isosceles triangle. Yeah, question 23 says that which of the following shapes is not plane? Do not forget that when we say plane shapes are shapes that has 2-dimensional shape. They are plane with 2-dimensional shape. Okay, so in this place we have option A is cube, B is rectangle, C is rhombus, D is square, and E is triangle. So this rectangle is a plane shape, rhombus is a plane shape, square is a plane shape, and the triangle is a plane shape. But cube is not a plane shape because cube is an example of shape with 3-dimensional shape. Okay, so it has the breadth and the wideness and the depth. Okay, but plane shape has 2-dimensional. It has 2-dimensional shape, which is what? It has only the breadth and the wideness, but does not have thickness. Okay, so in this place, cube is the answer. Cube is not a plane shape because it is a 3-dimensional shape. So our answer is what? Is option A. Yes, question 34 says that Find the area of a circle which radius is 7 centimeters. Now say take your pi as what? As 22 over 7, which is equal to 22 over 7. So do not forget that the area of a circle is equal to that is what is pi r square. Okay. So what's our pi? Our pi is 22 over 7. Our r represents radius, which is what? 7 centimeters, which is 7 centimeters. These are our radius there, 7 centimeters. Then that's our radius, that's r square, which is what? 7 times 7 centimeters. Okay. So let us now cancel this. 7 cancel 7. So now remain 22 times what? 7. Okay. So 7 times 2, 14. Take your 1 up. Remain 4. 7 times 2, 14 plus 1 is 5. So which plus 1 is 15. So our answer is what? 100 and what? 54 centimeter square. So in this place now, our answer is what? Is option A, which is what? 154 centimeter square. Yes, they say the area of a square is 60 meters square. Now say find the length of its side. So in this place now, so these are our square here. Okay, so each sides are equal, which is what? That's the total. That's 4 meter, 4 meter, 4 meter, and 4 meter. So that's a find the length of each side. So when you say we are looking for the length of the side, so see the area. The area is what? 16 meter square. Okay. So in this sense, now we're going to divide it by what? By 4. Okay. To get our length. Okay. We now say our length is what? Are you getting me? To get our length will be what? That's 16 meters square divided by what? 4 meter. 4 meter. Take note of that. So 16 divided by 4 will give us that's 4. That's this meter cancel this meter. So we mean what? That's what? Meter, 1 meter. Okay. Because this means meter times meter. So that part is meter times meter. So when we cancel this one, cancel this. So it will mean what? 1 meter. So in this case now, our answer is what? That's 4 meter. So in this place, our answer is what? Is option C. So the length is what? Is 4 meter, which is what? Option C. Yes. The question that says that the price of a textbook decreased from 2,000 naira to 1,200 naira. Now say find the percentage decrease. So when you say we are finding the percentage decrease, definitely it is what? It is loss, because you bought something for 2,000 naira. I now resell it for what? You now sell it for 1,200. That's a what? That's a loss. So to get the loss, we say loss is what? It's equal to what? That's a cost price. This means cost, and this P means what? Price. Cost price minus selling price, which is this S means selling, and this P means price. So in this place, what our cost price is? Our cost price is 2,000 naira. Take note of that. Minus the selling price, which is what? 1,200 naira. So the amount sold is what? That's 800 naira. So the loss is what? Is 800 naira. So now say that we should find the percentage. So we should find the what? Percentage. So to get our percentage, we now say cost price minus selling price divided by the what? Cost price times 100. Okay. So what's our cost price minus selling price? What? That's what? 800 minus the cost price, which is 2,000 naira, times 100. Take note of that. So in this place, this is cancel this. Okay? So it will now remain 800 divided by what? 20. Take note of that, because we are counting this 20. This 20. Okay. So 800 times 1 give us that's 800. Divided by what? That's 20. Take note of that. So 0 cancel 0. 80 divided by 2 will give us that's what? 40. Okay. So in this place, our answer is what? Is 40. So our answer is, so the percentage is what? Is 40. So our answer is what? Is option D, which is what? 40. Yes, question 37 says that find the value of x in the diagram below. So this is a triangle. So what this means is that all sides are equal. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to what? To this side. So in this place, we are given 2x here. So definitely this side will be what? That's 2x. This angle will be what? 2x. This angle is, see, this angle is 2x. This angle will be what? 2x. And this angle is also what? 2x degree. So don't forget that the sum of angle in a triangle is what? Is 180 degree. Now let us go. Now I have 2x degree plus 2x degree plus this 2x degree, because they are in degree. Okay, equal to what? 180 degree. All right. So I told you that sum of angle in the triangle is what? Is 180 degree. Now in this place, now 2x plus 2x plus 2x is what? That is what? 6x degree. So we have what? 6x degree equal to what? 180 degree. So now divide both sides by 6 to get our, we have to divide both sides by what? By 6. By the coefficient of 6 here, which is what? 6. To get our answer. So x is what? X cancel x. 6 cancel 6. So now I have x equal to what? 180 divided by what? Divided by 6. So 180 divided by 6 is what? That's what? That's 18 divided by 6, that's 3, which is what? 6 divided by 2, that's 0, which is what? 30 degrees. So our answer here is what? Is option A, which is what? 30 degree. Yeah, question 13 says that find the volume of the diagram below. Okay, so now say take pi as equal to what? Else 22/7, which is what? So in this place, the diagram says that this is the height. The height is what? Else 10 centimeter, and the radius is what? Else 7 centimeter. And to find the volume of this diagram, we have what? Pi r square times what? Times the height. Pi times radius square times what? Times the height. So in this place, what are we going to do? This is a cylinder shape. So what are we going to do? We are going to write 22/7, since our pi is what? 22/7. Okay? Because the volume of the cylinder is what? Pi times the radius square times the height. Times, what's our radius there? Our radius is 7 times 7. That's 7 centimeter, which is what? 7 square, which was 7 times what? 7. Then what's our height? Our height is what? That's 10. Don't forget, this is our height, which is what? 10, and this is our radius. Okay, so which is 10 here. So in this place now, what are we going to do? We're going to multiply 22 times 7 times 7 times 10. All right, now let us multiply it here. If you look at it, 22 times 7 times 7 times 10 will give us, that's okay, 10,780 divided by 7, which is what? 10,780 divided by this 7. All right, so in this place now, 10,000 divided by 10,780 divided by 7 will give us okay, now let's divide it. 7 here 1, 7 in 10 is what? That was what? Is 1. Remainder 3. We put our 3, it becomes 35. Now it becomes 37. 7 in 37, that's 5. Remainder 2. Now I put your 2 here. Becomes 28. 7 in 28 is what? That was 4. Okay, then 7 in 0 is what? That was what? 0. So our answer is 1,540. So 1,540 centimeter cube. So our answer is what? Is option E here. That is what? 1540 cubed, which is what? Option E. Yes, question 39 says that find the average of 10, 4, 6, 3, and 7. So the average of the value of, we want to look for the average of the following value. So if the value are 10, 4, 6, 3, and 7. So in this place, this is a mean. Okay. So write our mean equal to what? Sum of the value. Right? Sum of the what? Of the value divided by the what? The numbers of the value. That's how to find it. The number of the values. Take note of that. So in this place now, what's our mean there? What's our values there? We have 10. What are the sum? Let's multiply that. Let's sum it. Which is what? That's x divided. This represent the values. The x represent the value. What this represent the what? The sum. And this represent the number of the what? The number of the values. Okay. Now let's go. We have 10. Take note of that. Plus, this is the sum. Okay. Plus what? Plus 4. Plus what? Plus 6. Plus 3 and plus 7 divided by what? The number of the value, which is what? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 here. Okay, now let's add it together. 10 plus 4, 14. Plus 6, 20. Plus 3, 23. Plus 7 is what? 30. So we now have what? 30 divided by what? Divided by 5. Take note of that. That's the sum of the value divided by the numbers of the value. Now, 30 divided by 5, they give us that's what? 6. So our answer is what? Is 6 there. So what is the answer? The option here is what? Is option C, which is what? Which is 6. So that's it. Yeah, question 40 says that find the mode of the following numbers. 11, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16. Okay, let us arrange it from the ascending order. Now, the lowest number is what? Is 10. Followed by what? 11. Another 11. Another 11. Another, that's 12. We have 12. We have 13. We have 14. We have 14. We have 15. We have 15. And we have 16. Now, from the values there, from the data here, so we have to look for the mode. And the mode is what? Is the what? The highest number that comes out from the what? From the values or from the data. So what number is the highest number that comes out mostly? That is what? That is the most required outcome there. So let's check it. So 10 only comes one time. Then 10 is what? Let's check 10. 10 is that's 3 times. 11. Oh, sorry, 10 is one time, sorry. Take note of that. 11, that's what? How many times that was 11? That's what? 3 what? Times. Take note of that. So, okay, let's go. 12 comes out how many times? Let's count it. Just 1 times. 1 times. Then 13 comes out how many times? That's what? That's how many times? That's only 1 time as well. So, 14. Can you see? 1. That's 14 comes out what? 2 what? That's 2 times. Take note of that. That's 2 times. Then 15 also what? Comes out as what? 2 times. Take note of that. So the last one, which is 16. 16 comes out what? Just only what? 1 times. Let me just put it in 1 times there. Okay. Don't forget that. 13 comes out 1 time. So okay, let me write it in number. So that's 1 times. 1 times. This one is what? That's what? That's 3 times. And this one is what? That's 1 time. So if you look at it very well, now we have 1 times for what? For 10. 11 has what? That's 3 times. Comes out 3 times. Then 12, just 1 times. 13, 1 times. 14. 2 times, 15, 2 times, then 16, 2 times. So the one that comes out mostly is what? Is 11. So which is the mode? So that's what the mode is. That's what it's talking about. The mode is talking about the numbers of times the highest number that comes out from the what? From the data below. So our answer is what? is 11, which is what? Which is option B. So that's our answer. Thank you.